Good afternoon, future doctors. Today's topic is consequences of sedentary lifestyle. First of all, what is consequences? Consequences means effect or result. Sedentary means lack of physical activity. What is the sedentary lifestyle? Sedentary lifestyle is a type of lifestyle most commonly found in modern Western cultures. It is characterized by sitting or remaining inactive for most of the day. For example, in an office or at home. It is believed to be a factor in obesity and other disorder, primary heart disease. Sedentary lifestyle can also be defined as a lifestyle of inactivity in which a person failed to participate in at least 20 consecutive minutes of exercise 3 times per week. Consequences: sedentary lifestyle is one of the 10 leading causes of death and disability in the world. Lack of physical activity double the risk for cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, high blood pressure, osteoporosis, colon and breast cancer. Statistics show that due to physical inactivity, different chronic illnesses are on the rise. 12.6 million people have coronary heart disease. 1.1 million suffer from a heart attack in a given year. 70 millions have diabetes. 90 to 95% have type 2, which is associated with obesity and inactivity. 107,000 people are diagnosed with colon cancer each year. 50 million people have high blood pressure. More than 108 million adults are obese or overweight. People can meet with less focus on physical appearance and more on personality. With online shopping and delivery service, people with limited means of transportation or mobility can be more independent. In today's society, the sedentary lifestyle becoming more common since recreation is about getting out and participating. Many recreation centers are being hurt from lack of participation. Today's lifestyle: take away dinner, instant meal, high sugar, processed processed food, overfeed, undernourished, and lazy. Consequences of sedentary lifestyle: primary hypertension. For most adults, there is no identifiable cause of high blood pressure. Primary hypertension tends to develop gradually over many years. In as many as 95% of reported high blood pressure cases in US, the underlying cause cannot be determined. Primary hypertension may contribute weight gain, obesity, lack of physical activity, smoking, stress, excess salt in diet, excess alcohol consumption, and age. Cardiovascular disease do contribute. Unhealthy diet, lack of physical activity, overweight, obesity, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and smoking. Stroke do contribute. Weight gain, obesity, lack of physical activity, use of illicit drugs, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, cardiovascular disease, and smoking. In bone, long-term effect of immobilization on the spine, increased development of osteoarthritis, irreversible joint changes, and osteoporosis. Hypokinetic disease are the condition that occurs from a sedentary lifestyle. Example could include anxiety, cardiovascular disease, mortality in elderly men by 30% and double the risk of elderly women. Deep vein thrombosis, depression, diabetes, colon cancer, high blood pressure, obesity, osteoporosis, lipid disorder, and kidney stone. Effect that physical inactivity and sedentary lifestyle have on or your health. Physical inactivity and sedentary life effect on comorbidity associated with obesity. In CNS, ischemic, ischemic, ischemic stroke. In CBS, atherosclerosis, coronary heart disease, hypertension, congestive heart failure. In musculoskeletal disorder, osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, back pain, bone fracture. In psychological disorder, anxiety, depression, sleep apnea, respiratory diseases, gallbladder diseases. In metabolic diseases, dyslipidemia, type 2 diabetes. In cancer, breast, endometrial cancer, colon and prostate cancer. Hormonal abnormality and pregnancy complication, hyperuricemia and gout. The problem of sedentary lifestyle, the diabetes. Obesity in type 2 diabetes patient is very common phenomenon and often termed a diabetes. Diabetes, obesity and hypertension, dyslipidemia are the group under one name, metabolic syndrome. Increased predisposition to diabetes and premature coronary artery disease in India has been attributed to the Asian Indian phenotype, characterized less of generalized obesity measured by BMI and greater central body obesity. Many Indians fit into the category of metabolic obese, normal weight individual. The body fat percentage of an Indian is significantly higher than a Western counterpart with similar BMI and blood glucose level. It has been hypothesized that excess body fat and low muscle mass may explain high prevalence of hyperinsulinemia and high risk of type 2 diabetes in Asian Indians. Sedentary career or job. Many jobs require you to sit behind a computer all day, which promote you to live a sedentary lifestyle. You sometimes get home late and have no time to cook, so, so you buy a fast food on the way home. You lack physical activity and don't eat healthy. But this is all your decision because you can always get a different job or use your free time to be active and healthy. Eat healthy. How to avoid death or at least postpone it. Daily walk, take a stair, gardening, cycling, swimming, sports. You get the idea. Positive health effect of exercise and evidence of effectiveness. Cardiovascular disease, overweight and obesity, diabetes, cancer, musculoskeletal health, psychological well-being. Sedentary lifestyle and cardiovascular fitness. Most reliable index of physical activity defined cardiorespiratory fitness. Decrease in cardiorespiratory fitness. Powerful predictor cardiovascular disease, mortality, type 2 diabetes mellitus. Diabetes increased prevalence in developing countries like US, usually onset after age 40, emerging in children. Evidence 30% low risk in activity, moderate and vigorous activity level. Cancer, physical activity decreases, colon cancer risks, decrease colon cancer risks, breast cancer risks and prostate cancer risks. Musculoskeletal health, regular physical activity reduce age decline, strength and flexibility, reduce risk of fall and hip fracture. Weight bearing activities prevent osteoporosis. Psychological well-being, physical activity reduce the symptom of depression and possibility stress and anxiety. Positive self-image and self-esteem, increase social interaction, build social skill among children, improve quality of life. Summary: physical activity, many benefit, decrease cardiovascular risk factor independent of weight loss. Physical activity is an independent predictor of mortality. Epidemiology, the Indian scenario. WHO 2 million deaths per year can be attributed to sedentary lifestyle due to increased comorbidities. Effect of sedentary lifestyle: weight gain and obesity, cause to heart disease, joint pain, diabetes, weakened immune system. Your health, your choice. Thank you.